Hey there, welcome back to your YouTube channel. I am Rishi. That I'm going to talk about today is freelancing. Now there's several freelancing websites available online which can help you to be independent. Now I've already discussed about these websites in my previous video, the link of which I'll be sharing somewhere here. Today specifically we'll be discussing about Upwork. Again, a freelancing website which can prove to be game changer for you. Upwork has played a crucial role in my career ever since I've started practicing as a chartered accountant. I proudly hold a position of a top rated freelancer on Upwork. Now, not only this, with the success rate of 100%, I have completed over 1400 hours of work on Upwork. Now, I also started from scratch, and I certainly believe that if I can do it, कोई भी कर सकता है. Now, when it comes to Upwork, it's important to recognize that degree is not what which will help you to get the work. It's your skills, right? So now, if you have a degree, वो तो added advantage है. Before diving into the Upwork tutorial, it's essential to familiarize yourself with the important concepts. I've already dealt with them in my previous video. I recommend you to watch them once, the link of which I'm putting down in the description box below. Now let me show you my own profile to make you understand how things work on Upwork. An Upwork profile is the most important thing to take care of. It is like a resume on the basis of which the client is going to hire you. So make sure that you devote appropriate time and attention to it. Also, make sure that your profile is 100% complete, because a 100% complete profile is likely to get more reach than the others. Your profile picture should feature a close headshot with a pleasant smile and a decent background. When clients comes across your profile, their attention is immediately drawn to your profile picture. Let's imagine you're a client and you comes across two profiles, one with a pleasant and bright smile and other with a dull and expressionless look. Which profile are you likely to consider? The answer becomes very clear. Now, if you have multiple skills, you have the option to create two specialized profiles. This allows you to prepare customized work descriptions for your prospective clients according to their work needs. Moving on to the profile headline, it is essential that it remains concise and appealing. And within just under 10 words, it should grab the client's attention and help them understand your expertise. Moreover, it is crucial to present a well-defined descriptions of your skills and experiences, outlining why the client should hire you, and it should be capable of grabbing the client's attention. Now, to get some idea and help in this process, you can browse through the profiles of other freelancers within the same niche. By doing so, you can gain some insights into the strategies that is helping them to attract the clients. Remember, copying their content is strictly prohibited. Use their profile just as a source of inspiration to remodel your description according to your skills and expertise. Always use keywords to highlight your skills, because that what makes your profile easily discoverable. Let me show you how. When determining which profile can provide you valuable insights, it is worth considering the profile patches. The freelancers with expert vetted tags are amongst the highest earning freelancers on Upwork, which also represent the top 1% of the professionals available on Upwork. Similarly, the top rated plus freelancers are amongst the top 3% of the workforce on Upwork, and top rated are amongst the top 10% of the workforce on Upwork. Your target should also be to achieve these batches, because these batches offers valuable information about the credibility of a profile. Also, a 100% job success score is a significant advantage to look for. This reflects how well the freelancer is delivering great results to their clients. To understand the market demand on Upwork, or to understand which kind of projects are available, you can deep dive into the client reviews in a freelancer's profile. Setting your profile rates can be a bit challenging job, but with some consideration and analysis, you can determine your own pricing strategy. Remember, in your pricing strategy, you should consider the Upwork fees and other costs associated in providing the services. It is important to ensure that the value of your services aligns with the efforts and time required. One approach can be to gather some insights from the other freelancers' profiles within your niche to understand what is the prevailing rate. However, it is crucial to personalize your hourly rates based on your skills, your experiences, and expertise. Remember, you can keep different rates for your different specialized profiles. Upwork has recently introduced a valuable feature, video introduction. This feature allows you to differentiate yourself from the other freelancers. You can record a video of yourself against a professional background and upload that on your YouTube channel. And you can create a link to upload it here. Remember to effectively showcase your skills and expertise in the video. You may imagine yourself answering to an interviewer's question, which could be, tell me something about yourself. Now, there are two places on Upwork where you can tell your prospective clients and Upwork that you're available for work. First is hours per week. By setting the number of hours you're available in a week, you're allowing Upwork to find the right job for you. And second is the available now badge. Now, this badge comes with a price tag. The current price is 7 connects per week. So initially, you may avoid spending on this badge. Building a showcasing portfolio is another important thing that you need to take care of. Apart from demonstrating your skills, it is very important to showcase the credibility of your work. If you have prior work experience, make sure to include those experience in your portfolio. This will help your prospective client to gain better understanding of the quality you're going to deliver in your work. Periodically updating your profile can yield significant benefits. I recently updated my own profile and a positive impact can be clearly seen on the statistics here. It is important to stay proactive and keep your profile fresh and up to date. By continuously experimenting and refining your approach, you can actually attract new jobs and widen your reach. Client reviews serves as a proof of your reliability and ability to deliver results. The more positive reviews you have on your profile, the greater is the likelihood of attracting high quality work. However, if you are new to freelancing, you can still emphasize on your offline experiences. What you can do is, you can highlight your relevant projects which you have completed outside the Upwork platform to showcase your skills and expertise. In cases where you have no prior experiences, it is essential to emphasize your understanding of the work and your approach to the project. Now, after all the preparations and understanding of the platform, you are ready to apply for your first job. Now, you need to navigate to the Find Work tab and explore the job options. Here, jobs are automatically shortlisted based on your profile description and the answers that you provided to Upwork while creating the profile. However, you also have the option to manually search for the jobs. What you can do is, you can use the Filter tab to search for the related jobs that you're looking for. You can use filters to refine your search and make the task of finding a suitable job easier. Now, if the job is not the one that you're interested in seeing in your feed, you can actually thumb it down. Also, when you click on the heart icon, the job goes to the saved job list so that you can apply for it later. When it comes to applying for a job, there are several important factors to consider. One of them is finding the right job description and applying promptly. Applying early increases your chances of being selected. But how can you determine you're applying quickly or not? You will see the time when the client posted the job, and upon opening the job description, you can see the number of people who have already applied for that job. This information will help you to gauge the competition and improve the likelihood of getting the job. However, even if a few people have already applied for the job, you can still have the chance of getting the job with a cover letter which is convincing and appealing. When applying for a job, you need connects at your disposal. You can compare connects with coins in a game zone. These connects are used to apply for the job application, and the number of connects that you actually need differs from job to job. Initially, on creating a profile on Upwork, you will get certain number of free connects, and once you have used them up, you can always purchase more. There is also a bidding process which can help you to rank higher in the list of freelancers who have applied for the job. Bidding works similar to the actual bidding process. If you want to rank among the top 4 freelancers who have applied for that job, you need to bid more connects as compared to the rest. Cover letter serves as the application for the job requirement on Upwork. This literally serves as the first impression on your prospective client, so it is crucial to make it count. It is important to demonstrate that you have thoroughly read and understood the job description. You should emphasize your relevant skills and experience that will make sure that you are the ideal candidate for the job position. Building that trust with the client and conveying your commitment to the job are the key aspects of cover letter. Additionally, your aim should be to initiate an engaging conversation so that the prospective client can consider you for the interview. This is the make or break step in getting that job on Upwork. I will soon provide a detailed video on crafting a perfect job winning cover letter, so be sure you subscribe to the channel. Once you secure your first job, always make sure to exceed the client's expectation. Again, that client might be looking for a freelancer for a long-term association, so always give your best effort. Drop your doubts in the comment section and I'm there to help you through. If I have been able to help you in any way, make sure you hit that like button and share this video with your friends.